we have the right to self-determination. As you are looking at me, you have the power to decide your future, not only of yourself, but of the coming generations. That power is in your power. If you grasp it, we can go forward and make Oduduwa Nation and Biafra Nation a reality. Let's work towards that. We are tired of being slaves in our land. We are saying to the British government, just as you have gone for the EU and get out of UK Europe and become an independent UK, we are now saying, you created this contraction for Nigeria. We want to go! 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 Everybody shut down! 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 We are right now! We are right now! We are tired! We are tired of injustice! We are tired of killing! We are tired of you! The next of time Nigeria, our president is suppressing people. We are no longer prepared to accept this injustice. Every one of us here, we are saying to you, we are going. The time is wrong. The British government must hear us. They have to hear us. They must hear us. They must hear us loud and clear. Put that for us. They must hear us loud and clear. We are saying to everybody, we have the right. We have the right to self-determination. We have the right to self-determination. We have to kill David.